Today, what's going on today? Gotta close the door.
Do you don't mind?
I'm out. Nope. Not dealing with this. Nuh-uh. I hope this room has stuff in it where I can just relax and have fun. Oh, gosh. I'm not closing the door because I can. And why are you here?
Hi!
No, screw you.
You would.
Oh, gosh. I'm done. I'm done. Hey, kitty. Hi, kitty. Alright. Okay. Alright. Let's do this. Room is clear? Room is clear. Yes.
What are you doing in my room?
Hey! Oh, look at this. Room. Oh my god.
Can I help you?
Screw off. Some coffee. Yes. Oh gosh, that's good. That's good. Oh. Put the cat down. No. I'm telling you, Slender Man. Oh. I'm so fabulous. What do you want? Hey, Jason.
Hi.
Oh, this cup is gross. You look ridiculous. What do you? What do you want to ask? Where is my sister?
She's on a clockwork, isn't a proxy.
Cinder made her go on a...
Oh my god.
I'm a ninja. You did not see me. Ah! Woo! Bird, hello? Do you see? Whoa! Alarm clock?
What?
Oh my gosh. Ow! Mwah. Oh no! Ew, what the?